Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to integrate a MailChimp with Shopify. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. First things first, what we're going to do is you're going to navigate to the MailChimp for Shopify app detail page. Let me open that up in a new tab, and then you just want to click on get started. Okay, then of course you need to log in to your Shopify store and click on install, and then you want to review the privacy and access details, and then just go ahead and install the app. So here you're going to log into MailChimp first, and then you want to click on get started, then log into your Shopify store, and then click on install. Okay, and then to link your existing MailChimp account to Shopify, you want to click on login. If you don't already have a MailChimp account, you can create one, and in the pop-up window you want to input your MailChimp credentials, and then just log in and review the connection details and click on allow. Okay, so if you want to accept the default audience we choose to sync to your Shopify account, then you don't need to take any action. But if you want to change the audience, you can click in the linked audience drop down and choose the audience you want to sync with. And then guys, of course, you want to confirm the contact types you want to sync. For example, you want the subscribed ones or also the non-subscribed ones. Then you want to go ahead and sync all the tags along with your customers. Scroll down to the sync customer tags and click the sync all tags checkbox. And then here guys, if you want to map data fields from Shopify to MailChimp, you can scroll to the data fields section and click on edit, and just review the Shopify fields and the default mapping of each field in MailChimp. For example, email address is email address, given name is first name, family name will be last name, right? So if you want to change a field, you can click on it and choose the appropriate field. And when you're satisfied, guys, you can click on sync now, and basically you would have connected and integrated MailChimp with Shopify. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.